Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression x squared minus 10x plus 21 divided by x minus 3 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of simplifying this expression. Let's get started. To solve the problem of reducing the rational expression x squared minus 10x plus 21 divided by x minus 3, we begin with step 1, which is to factor the numerator if possible. The numerator is x squared minus 10x plus 21. This expression is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomials often can be factored into two binomials. The goal is to find two numbers that multiply to give the constant term, which is 21, and add to give the coefficient of the middle term, which is minus 10. To find these numbers, let's consider the factors of 21. The pairs of factors are 1 and 21, and 3 and 7. We need to check which pair of these factors adds up to minus 10. The correct pair is minus 3 and minus 7 because minus 3 times minus 7 equals 21, and minus 3 plus minus 7 equals minus 10. Since we have found the correct numbers, we can write the numerator as a product of two binomials. It becomes x minus 3 times x minus 7. This changes the expression to x minus 3 times x minus 7 divided by x minus 3. This completes step 1, where we factored the numerator of the rational expression. The original numerator x squared minus 10x plus 21 is now expressed as x minus 3 times x minus 7. In step 2, we will simplify the rational expression by canceling out common factors in the numerator and the denominator. Our expression after step 1 is x minus 3 times x minus 7 divided by x minus 3. Notice that both the numerator and the denominator have a common factor, which is x minus 3. We can cancel out the common factor x minus 3 from both the numerator and the denominator. When we do this, our expression simplifies to just x minus 7. The factor x minus 7 is what remains after canceling the common term. This completes step 2, and it is the final step. The rational expression is now simplified to its lowest terms, which is x minus 7.